Red rides. California.
So what are we gonna be up to, Hamid?
Well, we're setting up the tunes right now. We're gonna try to exceed what we did last time, 35 miles. Do you have the other strap?
Yeah.
We're last time we went from Will Rogers State Beach all the way to Manhattan Beach. We're trying to go farther, maybe 1 or 2 more piers over. It's gonna be painful. It's gonna be gruesome. If anyone could do it, Dro can do it.
You want to stay as Hamid, or you want to use?
Yeah, I could be Hamid.
You want to be like Alan used to call you, Hammy.
Either way is fine.
This is where the bike path begins, right?
Yeah, it starts right here. Probably end up like over there.
Yeah, like
seriously, that's how far we went.
Right down. I don't think it's visible on the camera.
But it's far.
You're already stretched, huh? That's good. All right, Hamid, what pier is this?
So we're at Santa Monica Pier. Over here, Sunday, cruising, Cali. Took a moment to stop, pay homage to all these countries. We got the World Cup coming up in a couple of weeks.
Where are you going for? Where are you going for? We don't know yet.
Arriba Iran.
Iran?
Arriba Iran. Arriba Mexico. USA.
USA?
USA is not in the World Cup. I know we're trying to make America great again, but USA is not in the World Cup, so I don't know what happened there.
All right, dude.
Great day.
Next pier.
All right, let's go.
All right, dude, what pier is this?
Bienvenidos chicos y chicas.
Well,
Estamos en el pier de
channel,
Venice Beach, el segundo pier del día. Día muy lindo. Aquí estamos mirando los barcos, mucha gente aquí.
They're gonna need the what do they call that? The closed captioning.
The closed captioning.
Closed caption provided by.
Over here we're worldwide, like I said. Arriba Iran, arriba Mexico. So you know we're doing English and Spanish today.
What about, do you know your language, your native language?
Farsi. I know Salam Aleikum, Chitori. That's the extent of my Farsi.
Wait, what pier is this?
Venice Beach right here. The pier at
Is this
Venice
not
Beach.
Oceanside?
This isn't Oceanside.
No?
No, no. Oceanside is San Diego, I believe.
Or not Oceanside.
Well, Marina del Rey.
Marina del Rey.
Marina del Rey. Now Marina del Rey is coming up next.
Man, let me get a shot of those boats, dude. Look at that.
This is actually one of the beaches I was telling you about. This is a really nice beach right here. No rocks in the water. You can go all the way in, and it's still like you can still like tread water and everything. But this is one of the good ones. And then after you're done, if you feel like partying a little, you can come over here to the Venice Whaler. Let's have a good time.
All right, next pier, dude.
Next pier.
Let's go. This summer, we gotta try that right there, jet skiing.
Jet skiing? Hell yeah.
Have you ever done it?
I'm down for jet skiing and stand-up board.
That and fishing, dude.
Fishing? Hell yeah. Let's put it on the
boat,
fucking calendar.
And hopefully, eventually, like this will pay for it. You know
we get a bunch of people to go. We could do something like that. I mean, we're this close to the water. Let's handle it.
It's a nice scenery right here with the boats.
I love this. I think UCLA's row team practices right here too.
Oh, really?
They come out here, but like to catch them, you got to be here at like 9 or 8 a.m. Shows them practicing. So
what is this bridge right here?
This is the Marina del Rey bridge.
Looks like they're building something there. Hey, you know anyone that makes music or like beats?
Yeah, my buddy Chris.
See if he could make us like an intro song or something.
Intro? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll let him know. Yeah.
All cautious.
Everyone stop.
Everyone, there's
right
one little piece of glass. Stop. All action immediately.
Stop. I don't want your tires to pop. This shit goes on mountains, dude. I got rocks. This shit shreds, man.
Oh, dude, this is where they have the hang gliding.
Oh, hell yeah. Hang on. You want to do it, bro?
I don't know, dude. I think I'm good.
So right here, we just passed Dockweiler Beach. Very nice area. Again, everyone having a great time on the beach. We just passed some hang gliding right there. If you look right ahead over here, we got the Department of Water and Power. There's a lot of cleaning going on in there.
Hey, the water in LA is recycled, huh?
Oh yeah, right here. Where they're injecting it full of fluoride. So.
Yeah, full of fluoride.
All right, bro, week 2, we're at Manhattan Beach. We made it again, 35 miles right here. We're going to the next pier over there. I don't even know what it's called, but...
This is the furthest we've ever gone.
This is the same spot we made it to last weekend. So this weekend we're shooting to do more because we're about that fit life. I'm about that fit life. I know you're about the fit life. We're ready to have some fun. This is dope right here, man. Like this type of like a barbecue at the beach. Like you got your little tent set up right there. You got the grill. You got all your food, burgers and stuff. stuff.
Hey,
we gotta do something like that.
Yeah, one thing too that like I noticed, like when I see people on the internet, they're like, when's a good time to come to California? Any month, dude.
Yeah.
I've been here in January and it looks like this. I've been here in
December.
December we were here.
I came in December.
I was here in December.
I remember everyone in New York was complaining about how hail hit their cars and cars were flowing down the street, bumping into each other. There was snow in Chicago. We're over here at the beach. We're over here at the beach just enjoying the nice weather, riding our bike, having a good time. How you feeling, bro?
Dude, I feel way better than last time. Last time I had ridden the day before, so.
Feeling good. I feel like I made some good progress from last week to this week.
Yeah.
It's definitely a step in the right direction. I'm not feeling all that pain. And I think on the way back, we're not going to be going against the wind. So that should make it a little bit easier. But yeah, bro, this is Hermosa Beach right here. Translation. Beautiful beach. Shout out to all the Hermosa out there.
Alright, I'm here with Hamid. We just finished the ride. How you feeling, Hamid?
I'm done. It's a wrap, dude. I am done. Yeah, that was a good ass ride.
All right, so we went as far as what pier now?
Hermosa Beach. We went to Hermosa Beach. I'm calculating 40 miles. 40 miles from here to Hermosa Beach. Had a good ride. Stopped and we got some food. Big Dean. Went a little bit farther than last time. So we're gonna keep doing this, and next week or the next time we're available, we'll go a little bit farther.
What's the next beach, do you know?
The next beach after Hermosa, I believe, is Redondo. We'll be going to Redondo next time. I'm thinking like 5 miles more on every pier.
Hey, I mean, so we have like 50 followers. You think this is gonna get us more followers, or is this just all a bunch of wasted time?
We'll see. It's a big experiment. Red rides.
Okay, that's the intro.
That's the intro right there. Yeah, good stuff. Look at it. It's right now. It's 6 o'clock. Sun's still out. No one's going home yet.
The
Everyone's
parking lot's
here
still
having a good
full,
time.
yeah.
Parking lot's still full. Yeah, no. Tomorrow's a work day. Tomorrow's Monday. People are going to work. We got a birthday party going over here. We got a senior party over here. People still playing volleyball, barbecuing.
Dude, that's why California is like the best state, man.
California, best state. You gotta pay a pretty penny to live out here, but it is the best state, in my opinion.
So how are we ending this video?
On a good note. On a good note.